Racing just is started with a Sikuda break with clear start. Moving a party outside, batting also with Sangandaan. Santa Fe rushing a supply like an eagle. Charm offensive is running by the rail. The next online is a Real Pogi. Divine Wisdom, Platinum Lance comes next. Santropea, Midnight Bell racing second last, while Andalusia is the early trailer by about 14 lengths. Up the leader racing down the back stretch. We have Sangandaan by about 4 lengths, batting a win second. Then 5 lengths further back in third. Now is a Charm offensive. Alongside now is a Fly like an eagle. Real Pogi, Santa Fe, Divine Wisdom comes next. Platinum Lance, Asikuda, Midnight Bell. Then comes Santropea, while Andalusia is still racing in less. Another 4 turn. We have Sangandaan by about fly like an eagle. Then comes Santa Fe for your Super 6.
Número 11, Real Pogi.